Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Here on my YouTube channel, I like to talk all about the Happy Planner and all the different ways I like to decorate in all of my different sized planners. This one is my classic size. It's my catch-all, and this week I am using a brand new sticker book to me. It's called Peony Sky. And when I got it on the Joann's website, I really just mainly liked the colors, and then so I really didn't give a good look at it. I just kind of went by the colors. And once I got it, I realized it's a faith sticker book, which is really nice. I really love the quotes and the the calligraphy in it and the colors, of course. So pretty excited. I think it's fun. I really like to use, it's always so fun to use a sticker book for the first time. So, all right. So I ended up doing I always really do the sidebar first, but I actually really hate the way it turned out, if I'm being honest. I mean, sometimes it's like that. I don't know. I was trying something new, but I did not like the way that it turned out, but it's okay. We're just going to keep rolling with it. So, I found some washi that went well with it, and then I also used the strips that are already in the sticker book. And my daughter's turning 9 months on Saturday, so actually the sticker that came in the pregnancy book for 9 months worked like perfectly with the color scheme, and I didn't even plan that, so pretty excited about that. It's the little things, it's just satisfying. So I tried to do some grouping in this spread. I really like the way that it looks most of the time, so I tried it, and some of the grouping worked. Like, I really like the right page a lot more than I do the left page, but as the week goes on, I'm going to start obviously filling things in, and then I'm sure it'll end up being better than I initially feel like it is, because right now, I mean, I like the stickers, but I don't love where everything is. So sometimes you win, sometimes you lose some, and that's okay. I have to keep reminding myself it's okay. All right, so I didn't put down nearly as many stickers as I initially do in this spread because there's a lot of things that are up in the air right now. So it's better to keep it open in my eyes. Then once things go down, then I can, make it more official with stickers and writing and all that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.